Heard all the criticism about AI lately? People are worried that bots will take over the most in-demand jobs. Personally, I'm not concerned because the bot I created is more like a personal assistant. And guess what? I'm offering it to you absolutely free. I'm not saying you should quit your job, but take a look at what I'm making with this bot. I'm sure it's a little more than your monthly paycheck. So it's time for our session. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start by picking our players. The bot is already giving us today's picks, 2 currency pairs and 2 stocks. No indicators needed here, so we'll skip that part. Now it's time to get things started. Our bot has already analyzed the first pair. It's signaling an upward move, so I'm going with a strong trend. Awesome, I knew it would work. It's time to make those dreams, big and small, come true. With my bot, that's totally possible. After all, fulfilling those dreams often takes financial support. Head to my Telegram channel, grab the bot, and share your success stories just like my other followers. The bot has analyzed the situation again. Lightning fast. It's signaling a downward move. I'll make the same call. Spot on. The bot and I make a great team. It's like one mind working together. Alright, here's the first stock. As you can see, there's a strong downtrend here. The bot suggests we follow this momentum. Let's get to work. Who would doubt it, right? By the way, a quick reminder, it's super important to respond to the bot signals quickly, as the market can change in a second. If someone had told me 8 years ago that it was possible to make 800 in a day, I probably wouldn't have believed them. So I understand any doubts you might have. Just hop over my Telegram where you'll see real people running live sessions, sharing their results and chatting. It's a big team of 10,000 people who decided to take a chance and are already seeing the rewards. Join us now, then come back to this video. Next up, we have another stock. Okay, this one is the reverse, a strong uptrend. The latest message from my assistant also points us upward. I'm expecting no pullbacks here. It's all going smoothly and I'm confident we can keep up this energy. Let's look at the chart. Friends, what call would you make here? The bot has already suggested going up from the support level and I agree. Once again, the bot didn't disappoint. I'm more convinced each time that it's one of the most impressive tools out there. A bot that helps me make my dreams a reality. And you already know where to get it, for free. Alright, let's do a few more rounds. I'm seeing downward movement, slowing here. Let's see what the bot suggests. It's signaling an upward bounce. No arguments here, let's go for it. Perfect. One last push. Check it out. A strong downtrend, and the bot expects it to continue. Let's follow that lead. Wow, what more is there to say, right? You saw it, all for yourselves. Is it magic? Not at all. Just the result of hard work. Just a reminder, we started with a modest amount and here's where we ended up. Now I'm off to enjoy those rewards. Remember, I'm waiting for you on my channel, where anyone can build the life they really want. That's it for now. See you soon.